Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a DIY last minute Halloween costumes video for you. And I know if you're like me and you waited till the last minute, you might not know what the heck to wear for Halloween. So I have a couple of ideas for you. I typically make plus size videos, plus size fashion, beauty, lifestyle videos, but these are ideas that you can also wear if you wear straight sizes, regular sizes. These are all things that you can put together from your own closet and that you might not even have to spend any money on. These are just some pieces that, you can mix and match, and I just put together cute outfits from different like movie characters that I love, also like popular movie characters, TV show characters, influencer, whatever I found that I thought was cute and that you could put together on a budget or from what you already have at home is what I will be showing you today. So, there's like 4 days, 3 days left to Halloween. So I will link the items down below, but you might not necessarily be able to get the shipping at this point that quickly. But I will link pieces in case you do, if you're like me and you love Halloween looks like black, gothic looking, edgy looking items throughout the year. You can also find those. I'll put them down below for you. They're different from different brands and stuff, but I will link them below. And yeah, I am super excited. These little costumes I put together was just very last minute. Initially, my plan was I wanted to do Regina George from Mean Girls for Halloween. I had the wig, the skirt, the little cardigan, the white shirt underneath. I had everything in my Amazon cart, but I waited till the last minute, and then when I was thinking of getting it, I was not able to have it shipped in time. That might be something I might consider to do next year. If I plan ahead of time, I'll be able to maybe do the Mean Girls cast. I want to do a couple of the Mean Girls characters, but today I am going to do edgy. If you have, I'll give you some staple pieces ahead of time so you know what to pull out from your closet if you want to like plan while we're doing this here. If you have some black dresses, definitely pull those out. Black skirts, black tops, black leggings, black pantyhose, black tights, anything and everything you own that's black, pull it out. Throw it on your bed. We're gonna like put some shit together and get it together before Halloween. The next item that if you have, I would highly suggest is a moto jacket like this one, or a black leather jacket, or even a black cardigan, but I'm obsessed. This was actually gifted to me by Dia & Co. I will show you this jacket in one of my costumes. But this is a staple piece also if you do have one, because you can make multiple outfits, costumes with this. And this is also something you might want to wear like throughout the year if you want to look like that edgy rocker look. I'm like, this jacket is like, it's changed my life. Like, I'll never be the same again. I want this jacket with every outfit from now on. But anyways, the jackets are also a really cool staple to have if you're looking for like that black, like gothic edgy look or like witchy looks. There's so many options that you have with a jacket like this. So denim, if you have denim jeans, blue jeans, denim jackets, you can also put together some outfits, and you'll see why in a little bit, because I have one outfit that is denim, and you'll see. I'm so excited about that one. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Also accessories, black shades, black handbags, black fishnets, fishnet like stockings, fishnet pantyhose. I don't have any of those today of the fishnets, but typically I would pair them with some of the dresses you would see here. I would be wearing those tights or the fishnets, but I wasn't able to get them last minute. But if you do have them, throw them on there as a bed too, so you could put things together. And I will try to, before I show you an outfit, I'll try to insert a picture of the plan, the idea that I had in mind. Keep in mind, these are not going to be identical because this is all DIY, putting it together at home with what I already have, what you already own. You don't have to go out and spend a bunch of money. Just put it together with, what you already have. So it doesn't have to be identical. It's just the idea of the character you're trying to, or the costume you're trying to be. So, but I will link things down below for those of you who are interested in the items, you know, for maybe next year or for whatever reason. I'll link them below. And hello, I have not introduced myself. My name is Nora. I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of all types of shenanigans. So if any of that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I typically upload once to twice a week. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you each piece on and what my idea was behind the outfit, and also how I would style it, what other options you could style it if with items you already own. So let's go ahead and get started. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you have an amazing Halloween. I'm so excited. I'm literally only taking my son trick-or-treating, and he's like 16, so we're going to be driving around and he's getting candy. And that's it, and probably just coming back to watch scary movies, but the pictures, y'all. We do it for the pictures, you know. That's all it is. We do it for the pictures. I'm 40 years old. I'll be 41 next month. We do it for the pictures. But let me go ahead and show you these awesome DIY Halloween costumes. All right. Okay, so first up we have Kourtney Kardashian's Travis Faye's outfit. This particular one I chose because she is currently one of the, you know, most talked about celebrities of the moment, and I just love her style, which I thought was super cute. She's like the it girl of the moment. I paired this moto jacket from Dia & Co with like a black, that's actually like a black swimsuit tank underneath. That's what I had. Just pull out whatever you have. Some black leggings from Torrid, some black shades, and just I had my handbag from Guess. And this jacket was super comfortable, and it just makes a really quick DIY outfit, costume. If you like to imitate celebrities, this is she's the girl of the moment right now. So I love that outfit. Next up is an all-time favorite. If you've never watched the movie Scream, you definitely need to. This is Sydney Prescott, played by Neve Campbell. She is absolutely amazing in this movie and definitely one of my favorites growing up. So I had a denim jacket also from Dia & Co at home. So you can pair a denim jacket with some blue denim jeans and a light blue top. Or you can probably pair like a purple top under it as well. This is the outfit she had on the night everything went down in the movie and, you know, all the crazy shit started to happen. This is the outfit she has covered in blood. I was not going to cover this jacket in blood, but I wanted to show you the outfit because, okay, I'm obsessed. And also, I went above and beyond for this video. I literally cut my bangs just for this video, so you're welcome. Okay, next up we have American Horror Story Zoe. She is from American Horror Story Coven, and I absolutely love Coven. If you love witchy styles, this is a different twist on witch looks. It's not your typical witch hat. This is American Horror Story witchy. Oh, I just love everything about their style. I want to be them like 24/7. So I paired this flowy dress from Luna Wee, which is the brand, and this hat was from Amazon, and some shades from Zaful. And I'll link everything down below. Next up, we have the queen of American Horror Story. This is Fiona, and she is in Coven. This is played by Jessica Lange. Her style is absolutely elegant and dark and classy, and I loved everything about her style. I paired this bodycon dress that I had from Shein with the Amazon hat and the same purse. As you see, I used this multiple times in several of the outfits, and you just work with what you have, but this is just like an idea. Next up, we have the classic that everybody loves, Wednesday Addams from Addams Family. And this was different for me because I feel so old wearing this, but it was super fun. I wanted to try something different, and I have the dress on hand, so I'm like, why the hell not? So you can always pull a Wednesday Addams looks if you have a little black dress with a white collar, or even if you have a black dress and like a white collar shirt, you could put it underneath and just pull out the collar, put some braids. I don't even have hair long enough for this, and I just put my extensions, clip-in extensions, and made them into braids. This is another favorite, which is Lydia from Beetlejuice. And this was a little bit more difficult because I didn't have her exact outfit. So I threw together this like t-shirt style dress that I have from the brand New Chick. And I have this like covering, lace covering, not like, it's like a webbing that I bought it like at the Dollar Tree that I threw over the dress like a shawl, and I put that same Amazon hat. So there you have a whole outfit. I hope you guys love this video. I hope you have the best Halloween. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite.